The LA-based Innocence Project says they have the proof to set Scott Peterson free, and they're now laying out their evidence in court documents. The former Modesto fertilizer salesman is now 51 years old, serving a life sentence at Mule Creek State Prison in Ione for the killing of his wife Lacey and unborn son Connor 20 years ago.
Certainly a story that's gripped the nation. Next at 6, CBS 13's investigative reporter Julie Watts is digging through those court documents.
Yeah, these are the documents filed by the LA Innocence Project. In short, they're calling for new DNA testing and a re-examination of forensic evidence that could link Lacey's murder to a burglary across the street from their Modesto home the day she disappeared. Now, in these motions, the LA Innocence Project claims evidence has been discovered that points to Mr. Peterson's innocence and points to the actual perpetrators of the crimes, some of which they say is new and some they claim was suppressed or not presented to the jury. Now, Peterson's attorneys have long argued Lacey was killed after witnessing a burglary while walking their dog after Scott had already gone on his solo fishing trip Christmas Eve morning. In the filing, the group claims police failed to investigate evidence connected to that burglary near the Petersons' home.
There's too many unanswered questions about that burglary to set it aside.
Peterson's sister-in-law, Janie, has been leading the charge to prove Scott's innocence. Now, the filings point to multiple statements from neighbors and witnesses who said they saw Lacey walking the dog that morning after Scott was gone. The filings call for DNA testing of a blood-stained mattress found in a burnt-out van nearby. The Innocence Project claims even Modesto PD believed the van was connected to Lacey's disappearance. The motion also calls for DNA testing of a hammer found in the burglarized house and forensic testing of pieces of tarp found along the shore where Lacey and Connor's bodies were found months after the disappearance. The motion alleges someone else, quote, deposited their bodies in the bay somewhere near the location where Mr. Peterson fished, noting there was widespread media coverage of his exact fishing location and months of failed searches for the bodies before they were finally discovered. Now, the motion definitely calls into question the investigation by Modesto police, claiming that they were so convinced Peterson was guilty, they ignored evidence of witness statements that could have exonerated him, and they believe that those, along with additional DNA testing, could exonerate him now.
In an official statement, the Stanislaus County District Attorney's Office says Mr. Peterson's conviction was most recently affirmed by a Superior Court judge in 2022 after arguments were presented by Mr. Peterson's defense team and attorneys from the California Attorney General's office who argued for the murder convictions to be upheld.